Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of the Z4 project. Now you are seeing this out of order. Unfortunately, I could not find the footage for this, and I actually dug it all up and found it, so I uploaded the third video before the second one. But anyway, in this second video, I will be changing the oil in the car. So, let's get into it. So, here we see all the oil that we need. It is 7 quarts of 5W30 Mobil 1 synthetic. Now, if you look up the specs for what this car actually recommends, BMW recommends 0W40, but if you go on the forums, it says 5W30 runs fine through the motor. Now, we will eventually be changing this because we will be putting proper oil in it. We just don't have 0W40 at the moment, and if 5W30 works to get the car running, well, that's good enough for now. So, let's get into that. So, we're changing the fluids and all that stuff, but in the meantime, we're letting the car warm up, and we figured clean it off, because it looks like it hasn't been cleaned in 15 years. So, for the fun little oil filter here, BMW does it a bit differently than everybody else. You know, most cars you have to go underneath and pull it out. But conveniently on these inline 6s, it's actually right here with a, I think it's an 18mm wrench. To get off the oil filter cap, you need a specialty socket or a 12-inch adjustment wrench, as we found out, which we are using here. I will leave both in the description. Just to show you how dirty that oil was. My phone won't focus. Let's do it again. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So here we are with the finished oil change. The motor already sounds a little better. Now you can't really hear it because you're hearing it through speakers, but to someone who's actually near the motor, it does sound better. And this car is the exhaust is just extremely just bad smelling. Assuming it's probably dirty cats or something like that. And that could be it. But the car already smells less than it did before. So, while I think this definitely didn't fix any problems, this is a good step towards doing it, and, well, let's be real, it was going to be done anyway. Hey guys, so, if you like the video, leave a like. If you like my misery, leave a like. And most importantly, if you somehow found this entertaining, don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.